This is Melissa Morris working on the syllabication. We've got our cards here for open syllable, closed syllable, consonant LE, magic E, schwa, diphthong, and bossy R, and vowel team. Okay, so we're going to look at our first word, and we are going to scan the word for anything we might see. We're going to mark our first two vowels. We're going to build the bridge. We're going to label our consonant on the bridge and start with our first option of dividing after the first vowel. We are going to mark this first syllable as a vowel team, second syllable as a diphthong. Then we will read each syllable, see, saw, put it together, and seesaw. We can darken this line to create the two syllables. Next word. Okay, I'm going to scan the word, and then I'm going to go ahead and start marking my first two vowels. I'm going to build a bridge, mark my two consonants on the bridge, and then I will split the two consonants. I will follow this to find my next vowel, build my bridge. There are three consonants between here, so I'm going to scoop this one together, mark my two consonants, and split. On the end here, I see there is a magic E, so I'm going to jump over one consonant and give that to the A. So then I'm going to start back here, and I'm going to label my syllables with closed. This is a closed, and this is a magic E. So I would read that concentrate. That sounds like a good word to me. Next word. I'm going to scan it. Then I'm going to mark my two vowels, build the bridge, mark my consonant, and divide using the first rule. Then I'm going to mark my syllables. This is an open syllable, and this one, because it has OU, we're going to mark it DI, and we're going to read that profound. That sounds like a word to me. I'm going to darken that line. All right, let's move on to the next word. Let's scan the word. Start by marking my vowels, first two, build my bridge, and add my consonant. Then I'm going to go with the first rule of dividing it after the first vowel. Go on to my next vowel, build my bridge, find my two consonants, and split them. All right, so this right now is an open syllable. This one is a closed, and this one is a closed. So we're going to say majestic. Let's change this to a closed syllable and move my line. And that would be majestic. One better way would probably be to change this to a schwa syllable, majestic. That sounds correct to me. All right, let's move up here to the top one. Let's scan our word, and then we'll start by marking our first two vowels. We'll build the bridge and add our consonant to the bridge. We will use our first option of dividing after the first vowel. Then we're going to move on and mark our vowel team, build our bridge, mark our two consonants, and split. So let's identify each syllable. The first one would be an open syllable, closed syllable, and then because this one ends in ER, we're going to mark it bossy R. So this would be cylinder. That doesn't sound correct, so I'm going to move this line, change this to a closed syllable, cylinder. That sounds correct. All right, let's do one more. Okay, I'm going to scan this word. When I scan this word, I notice that we have a suffix here at the end. I'm going to circle it. After I see the suffix, I notice my consonant LE. I'm going to circle it. So then I'm going to mark this one vowel, and it's going to be a closed syllable. This is going to be a consonant LE syllable, and this one's going to be a suffix. So I will read this as gentleness. Gentleness. That sounds correct to me.